A few months back, I made a new friend and we agreed to go and talk to some girls and get some numbers. So we go out, we're prepared. We got our clothes on, obviously. We're like groomed, we're completely ready to talk to women, improve our skill at cold approaching. We go to the city centre and we are walking around. There's a girl there, why don't you talk to her? No, she's not pretty, but she was. Okay, we keep walking. We see another girl. Oh, but what about that one? No, I don't think, she's busy. Excuses. We keep walking and it's probably been around like 30 minutes now. We haven't talked to a single person. We are anxious, we are sweaty. Finally, I go up to the girl that's over there. I'm so nervous. Weirdly enough, the conversation actually wasn't that bad. Like as I was talking to her, I wasn't that nervous. All of my anxiety and fear kind of just like vanished in the blink of an eye. Okay, I guess I was just lucky. I go up to another girl. I'm so nervous walking up to her. I'm thinking, I shouldn't do this, I should go away. And then the conversation, again, it really isn't that nerve-wracking. Isn't that so interesting? The thing is, you're only scared of the initiation. Like going up to her and starting. That's the difficult thing. That's what you're scared of. During the conversation, more times than not, you won't actually be nervous at all. And the reason for that is because your brain is coming up with the worst case scenario. Let's think about it. What's happening before you initiate the conversation? Well, you're thinking about it. There's a girl over there, you want to talk to her, and now your brain is running through like possible things to say. What will happen? What are the bad things that are happening? What are the risks? And of course, your brain is literally wired through thousands of years to track risk. So if you go up to her, your brain is going to go through the worst possible situations. Because imagine you're on a tribe and there's only one woman and you fuck up your chances with her. It's game over for you, bro. So your brain is running through these negative scenarios to protect you. What if she rejects me and everyone laughs at me? What if, for example, this bad thing happens or this bad thing happens? Your palms start to get sweaty, your legs start to feel weak, your heart rate spikes, you're nervous. Maybe you're shallowly breathing, like it's fight or flight here. This is before you even talk to her. You're making all of these assumptions about what's going to happen. You don't even know if she'll reject you. Like, see me really vibe with you. See me have just seen you at the corner of her eye and actually be attracted to you. And you won't know unless you talk to her. And you're making all these assumptions before you've even talked to her or know about her or know anything. Because you're thinking. Here's the thing. No matter what, no matter how logically you try and define it, you will always run through the negative scenarios, no matter who you are. If you sit there and think about it and overthink, should I talk to her, should I not? What will happen 100% of the time is your brain will think of the negative scenarios. It'll think, what if I get rejected and this happens? What if her boyfriend is around the corner and he sees me talking to her and fucking beats me up? What if this happens or that happens? It's all negative. The longer you think about it, the less likely you are to do it. So you need to not think at all. You need to completely shut down your brain and just full send it. That's the only way to get past this. Full send it. Don't even think, should I talk to her or not? Should I, well, what if this happened to her? Bro, stop thinking. What you should do is see her and within like a split second, just walk up to her. Like if you've ever played video games and you know those NPCs where they're just like walking around like this, and if they spot you, then they'll just start walking towards you immediately. You need to be like an NPC in that regard. Like as soon as you see her on sight, just immediately start walking up to her. Don't plan out what to say. Don't plan out stuff. Don't think of anything. Don't let yourself come up with these excuses. Don't let yourself get all of this like anxious reaction. Just do it. And you didn't even need to go in with literally nothing to say. You could say something as simple as this. Hey, I just wanted to meet you quickly. What's your name? Like completely retarded. It doesn't even make much sense. But you can literally talk to her just by saying that. You don't need some excuse. You don't need any reason. You can just be like, oh yeah, I just wanted to talk to you quickly. What's your name? That's it. You don't need some fancy line. You don't need some fancy plan about how you're going to attract her. Go to her immediately, talk to her, and move on. That's it. Hope this video helped. Check out the top link in the description. It's the social protocol. It's a community of people who are literally on the same path as you. They want to learn to socialize. They want to become more confident. If you want to be in a group like that, where people like us can actually have this community where we can strive to grow together, then check that out. There's a course that will teach you exactly how to get better at socializing, and there are weekly calls with me. I'll see you in there. Remember, consistency is over a lifetime. Bye bye.